Billy Cruz in this video, and today I'm going to be showing you Nickelodeon slime. So yeah, so I got Nickelodeon slime for Christmas, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it. So I made a little examples of slime. Here, that's just regular scented. Pretty cool. I like the scented slime the most. Take it out. Oh. Brace easily. See there. Ah! Bumped my head. So this is very scented slime.
You're making one for us.
Regular slime. And they go in the dark slime. So it goes in the dark. And finally, your glitter slime. Take this out because this is one of my favorites. Okay, so first you're gonna need you can use either white slime glue or clear slime glue. I'm gonna go ahead and use the white to because the white makes better. I'm not saying to always use the white, but you can. Okay, I'm gonna get this off from that's my mommy. So you can really see the. Okay. I'm gonna actually add a little bit because I'm almost out there. Ah, sorry. Okay, so then you're gonna add any kind of paint. I'm just gonna use green because right now, called Nickelodeon slime, I want to make it like Nickelodeon slime. I know another kind of Nickelodeon slime, gold, but after they come with gold. So then you're gonna get your spoon or something else. If you got some on the side, you can just take them and put them in here. I'm putting it, so now you can see the.
Where's Snoopy?
In the crate. I mean, in the backyard.
Oh, I thought you took off the paint.
And then. Yeah, it's very. How did you put that to the side? Then you're gonna need activator. You need 2 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 drops. I mean. So now we're gonna get a little sticky, so you get the thing again, and then spin it until you're done. So you're supposed to wait until it covers the whole thing up. So it's gonna take a little while. While I'm doing it, you can. Okay, so it is now completed.
Yes,
Than I
it
thought.
is completed. Now it's got a big pile of green goo. Thank you, everybody.
Okay. Oh.
For tuning in.
Okay. It was smaller than expected, but who cares? Nickelodeon slime.
Yeah.
So you can make it at home. So you can make it at home. You don't have to have the Nickelodeon slime set. You can just get the materials.
Follow online how to make slime.
So yeah, if you want to, you can add this or glitter. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this. So 1 scoop, 1 spoonful. I'll put it in here. And then smash it together. Then snow in here. So you can try this at home again. And subscribe if you haven't already to join Team Higher Voices. So smash that like button and share. Bye. Press like boop.